Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pema and welcome to a new video. So today I have received this parcel from Amazon and I am going to unbox it right now. So let me quickly open it and show you all what's inside. I had ordered this creative pen tablet from the brand Wacom, so one by Wacom. So yes, it has this pen over here and this writing pad. If we take out this writing pad, then below that in the box we will find certain things. It's nicely wrapped up in plastic, and yes, below that we will find some items over here. So in the left hand side you will find the USB wire which you can connect it with your laptop or your PC, and then you have this paper, all the documents of this particular writing pad. So you can see the instructions given over there, and in the right hand side you will find the pencil through which you can write or scribble in your laptop. So yes, the original price is almost 4,700, but I got it in discount at around 3,700. So let us quickly unbox and see how to use it. So yes, let's start. Let's inside it. I get this. So you are given some instructions over here. You need to use the wire, the USB wire, to the writing pad and to your PC. So my PC is already over here, the laptop. And the next thing, you have to download some kind of app. Okay, so let us open this one. So I'm placing it over here. So next we have this USB I don't know what is this. This might be the extra thing for the pen. This will keep it aside, and let us use this USB. Before using this one, let us look at this manual. Okay, here are some instructions. So this is the first writing pad. The pen, you'll get this extra thing for the pen. You have this manual book and USB. So you need to install the driver. This is how you can change the tip. So I need to download this one. Okay, let's try. Okay, where should I use this USB? So it's here. And you can see over here. So I fixed it over here. And the other end, this one I'll put it in the so a pop-up came, and now I have to connect this one. So now you can see there's a light over here. wacom.com/start/one. The URL which you see in this manual, you have to type it over there, and then this website opens up. It's exactly the same. So over here you have the driver for Windows, for Mac, and for Chrome. So for Windows, now it has started downloading. One download in progress. So after this I will be able to use it properly. After installing the driver, you'll get this pop-up, and after reading everything, you have to sign this license agreement and then accept it. So press on the accept, and then it will start installing. Currently I am using Google Meet app and my pen is all set with the pad. So this is the whiteboard. Yes, the pen works fine and it's smooth. So first it is a little bit hard to adjust because we are not used to this, but eventually if we practice every day we can start writing it easily. Here I'm placing the pad in front of me so that you can see what am I writing and how am I writing with this pad and the pen. Just like in a mouse, we have the left click and the right click. Similarly, here in the pen, we have the buttons, that is left and right, so we can click according to that. So if I click with my left, then it will open. And again, if I do the right click, it will show all the list. So I found this tablet and the pen very useful, especially for the teachers who want to use it while teaching. And that was it for today. And if you love this product and if you want to buy it, then it's a great one. You can go for it. And thank you for watching. If you love this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.